Think about an organization you work for or a job or position you have held. Did you ever think about ways to make the organization's workflow better? If so, you were doing an informal work analysis. Likewise, did you analyze the task you were doing and conclude that they should be done by someone else or vice versa? If so, you were doing an informal analysis of your job. A job analysis is the systematic process of collecting information about all of the parameters of a job, its basic responsibilities, the behaviors, skills, and the physical and mental requirements of the people who do it. A job description is a written document that describes the overall purpose of the job and tasks, duties, and responsibilities. The job specification or qualification, which are a part of the written job description, is an outline of the specific knowledge, skills, abilities, and other attributes required of a person performing the job. You have learned that a job analysis is an important HR building block. What you are probably wondering now is how a person does one. The first step is to collect information needed to analyze jobs. The most common methods of collecting this information are interviews, questionnaires, observation, and diaries. When interviewing employees or reviewing their questionnaires, a job analysis should look for any responses that contradict other facts or impressions he and she has received about the job. Sometimes employees exaggerate the difficulty of their positions to inflate their egos and their paychecks. Inflating a job's responsibilities can also occur unintentionally. Several different quantitative job analysis approaches already exist. Each has its own advantages and disadvantages. 5 of the more popular methods are the functional job analysis, the position analysis system, the critical incident method, a task inventory analysis, and a competency-based job analysis. Most job descriptions contain at least 3 parts: the job's title and location, a job identification section, which contains administration information such as numerical code for the job, to whom the job holder reports, and wage information, and a job duty section. When writing a job description, keep the items on it direct and simply worded. Unnecessary words or phrases should be eliminated. The term occasionally is used to describe duties that are performed once in a while. The term may is usually in connection with duties performed only by some workers to the job. To help alleviate the problem of employees claiming the task that is not my job, organizations often include language in their job description stating that the job holder will perform other duties as needed. 4 basic approaches can be used to design jobs. Top-down approaches. Industrial engineering and ergonomics focuses on the tasks of a job and how they can be done better. Bottom-up approaches, enrichment and empowerment, are more person-focused. The idea behind these 2 approaches is to design jobs so that people doing them are motivated to do them well. In contrast to industrial engineering, which focuses on time and efficiency, ergonomics focuses on the well-being of workers so as to improve efficiency. Factors such as the climate employees work in, the temperatures of facilities, noise and lighting conditions, and the length of schedules and fatigue factors are examined. Any effort that makes work more rewarding or satisfying by adding more variety and meaning to the job is called job enrichment. Job enrichment was pioneered by Frederick Herzberg in 1960. Its goal is to enrich a job so that it is intrinsically motivating to employees versus extrinsically motivating. Part of the reason why employee teams exist is that employees, not managers, are closest to the work that is actually being done in the organization. Thus, they are often a better position to see how the work can be done better. Teamwork can result in synergy. Flex time provides both employees and employees with several advantages. By allowing employees greater flexibility in work scheduling, employees can reduce some of the traditional causes of tardiness and absentness. A job analysis is a systematic process of collecting information about all of the parameters of a job, including its basic responsibilities, the behaviors, skills, and the physical and mental requirements of the people who did it. A job analysis should also outline the tools needed to do the job, the environment and times at which it needs to be done, with whom it needs to be done, and the outcome or performance level it should be produced. I hope this presentation was informal to you all, and I appreciate your time. Thank you.